We'll get a video of these guys here. They're so good. Okay, you're on camera. Score? Wow. Woo! Nice shot. Wow!
Yeah, but
Nice shot.
the third set pala.
Woo!
Third set.
Wow! Wow! Woo! Let's go!
Wala sinigay ko na kay I had to, I gave it to you.
Oh my God! Whoa! Woo! Woohoo!
Okay, 1-1, third set. That was indoor pickleball.
My kids are gone. Trying to get like maybe 40 Lulu's going.
How much is it over there?
She lives it for free.
Oh. Does she own it?
She's an ambassador there.
Are the
Good? It's a rollout court. It's only 2 courts. You can order, you can pick a table and head over there. 2 hours.
I don't eat chicken. I don't eat meat. You're a vegetarian? Vegan would be no eggs, no yeah. Who's winning? I can't tell.
I tried tofu burger, no thank you. I tried mushroom burger, no thank you. What's a mushroom burger? What's in there? Mushroom? Plant-based.
Mushroom pasta. Maybe not mushroom burger. You ever do like this mushroom burger? Shake Shack. It's a whole portobello mushroom. It's burger. And that's my go-to for mushroom.
What is it really? What is it really?
Oh no. He came with me. Boy, man, he's still sticking around. I don't know who he is. Nobody knows who he is, but he was that's the thing. Like, our group is so big, I don't know who he is. Somebody knows somebody that knows somebody. That one's available for another 30 minutes.
Oh, so we have to vacate this one. We have a lot of alcohol.
Once it's scored, you just gotta finish.
Okay, next. Let's go.
Drinks in my system.
Grabe naman, tagal nila dito. Lipat na tayo dito. Oh, let's go, let's go. Eh, one more day, may 15 minutes pa tayo. Let's go.
Let's see.
Let's go, let's go.